The government has assured the Filipinos who fell victim to human trafficking linked to POGO operations in Myanmar will receive the necessary assistance and support. Meanwhile, the government is set to deploy personnel to aid in rescue operations following the devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar. Our Charms Spina has the report.
The Philippine government has successfully rescued and repatriated 176 Filipinos who fell victim to human trafficking in Myanmar. Malacanang assures that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s administration is committed to providing assistance to these survivors who were exploited in supposed scam hubs. The palace stressed that this effort reflects the chief executive's commitment to prioritize the safety and welfare of Filipinos. It also urged aspiring overseas workers to follow legal channels to avoid falling into the same trap. Reports show that the victims suffered physical abuse and punishment from their employers whenever they failed to meet their demands.
Huwag po silang makikipag-transact nang hindi alam po ng gobyerno. Kaya nga po tayo may POEA para po sila po ay mabigyan ng seguridad na ang kanilang pupuntahan ay sila ay safe. So, maliban po sa gagawin po ng gobyerno, makipagtulungan po sana ang ating mga kababayan.
The administration reassures the public that rescue operations will continue if necessary. Malacanang is also promoting local job opportunities to reduce the need for Filipinos to seek work abroad in an effort to prevent being separated from their families just to eke out a living.
We are into projects giving more jobs to the Filipinos. So with this, I hope that they can rely on that. They can have these jobs that will match their capacities and skills.
Meanwhile, President Marcos has also ordered the deployment of over 100 government personnel to aid rescue efforts in Myanmar following a devastating 7.7 magnitude earthquake. Malacanang emphasized the importance of helping neighboring countries in times of crisis. The Philippine team will include medical workers, urban search and rescue experts, and members of the armed forces.
Mobilize na po ang mga resources para po agad tayo makatulong sa ating mga karatig bansa. At bukas nga po ang tentative travel date po for deployment para po makatulong po ang Pilipinas sa ating mga kababayan din po at sa mga citizens po, mga mamamayan po dito sa mga nasabing bansa.
As part of disaster preparedness, Malacanang calls on local governments to regularly conduct earthquake and fire drills and inspect buildings for structural safety. This is Charms Espina from PTV Manila for Balitang Pambansa.